higher education in abroad, and we do conduct the IELTS examination jointly with the British Council, and we operate from Australia, and we are present all over the world. So in this presentation, as I said, I'll be covering about the COVID impact on the study abroad destinations. I hope you're able to see my screen. So why you need to tackle this situation, how you need to tackle this situation, we will be seeing in this presentation. So one thing is stay positive and hopeful, because this is the utmost important, because this is the time when you need to be positive and also make others very much look at it as a positive scenario. And we can also do something like gaining skills online, because there are a lot of platforms online nowadays to upgrade yourself into different skills are there actually, like you can learn communication skills, you can learn digital marketing, you can learn a lot of skills during the online platform during this session, because most of them are free at most of the time. And educate yourself in the sense, yes, not only the curriculum, the academics, you can also educate yourself from other scenarios also as well. So do that as well, and prepare well for your studies and examinations ahead, because that is for and foremost very, very important, because we cannot leave it like that. Since we are all on the online platform, it's our own responsibility to keep ourselves engaged. We need to be engaged in the classes, we have to be engaged with the tutors, we need to share the whatever questions we have with them, and make them also positive, because it's very, very tiring to keep on presenting the lectures and without any answers from the students. They also feel a bit of boredom, but when you interact post the session and everything, yes, they will also be very much energized. And try to learn a language. That is very, very useful, because it's not only Tamil or English we are going to survive with. We can also survive with other languages, be it any foreign languages like the German, the Dutch or the Japanese or the Chinese, even Hindi. Any other language would be of benefit for us, because we not stick ourselves to one particular city or one particular state. We need to move ahead and grow up in our life. So learning a language at this particular time when we are free for some because of this COVID situation, this will be very much helpful. Spend time with your family. This is very, very important, because this is the one thing which energizes you. It gives you a lot of importance in life, and also the family also feels like they are very much surrounded by you at all times, and they like to be with you, because that's a moment you can cherish. And stay fit and healthy. This is another most important thing, because staying fit is not only good for your health, but it's also good for the current situation.